Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error number 8072. So how you can fix it? So you can see this error when you try to remove some file and you can't do it. So first thing you need to check permission on this file. So you know just tap with two fingers on this file and just choose get info. So now you just need to tap here on sharing and permissions, and here you need to find your user, so administrator, if you're using an administrator on your computer. So just check if you choose here read and write. So if you choose here read and write, so you have permissions for editing this file, and also you can remove it. So maybe sometimes this file can be corrupted, or you can use this file in other application when you try to remove it. So just check this thing. If you use this file in another application, so just close this application, or you can another way you can also restart your computer. So just tap on Apple and just choose restart. So after you restart, it automatically closes all applications. So if you're using this file in another application, after you restart your computer, it won't use this file. So you can fix it like this. And also that another way you can also try to empty bin like this. So just tap with two fingers on bin and just choose empty bin, so you can remove this file from bin like this. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you and you will fix this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.